My grandkids were so nervous, and I'm trying not to because there's gonna be like a tornado storm like that in here. So I'm gonna fix everything. Like I have to bring this inside before it flow away somewhere else because it's gonna be hot. It's gonna be like a strong one. So I am trying myself not to show my grandkids. Lola, she's my other grandkids, which is always very nervous. She said, Lola, are you not worried? I'm not. Are you not scared? I'm not, I said. But deep inside, I'm scared. But I said, just leave it to, I said, just pray. And everything happened for a reason. No. Everything will happen. If it's happened, it happened. If it's God's will, it will. But if it's gonna be safe, we're gonna be safe. So, ayun. Sabi niya, once we heard the siren, pag mayroon kasing bad weather dito sa US, maririnig mo talaga all over talaga nag-aano sila ng parang to wake up, parang wake up call, ano ba 'yung tawag dito? Nilak na nga ng anak ko ang mga nilagyan niya na ng mga yung swimming pool, ayan Talagang tighten up para hindi liparin ng hangin kung malakas ang hangin. Ewan ko tong hagdanan kung liliparin yan. At saka itong mga to, malamang ito, liliparin ito. Pero, hindi naman masyadong mahalaga. Ang mahalaga, importante. Ay, nako. Eto, ipasok ko tong foam ng ng sofa. Kasi, delikado ito Liliparin talaga ito mamaya. Yung tumaas yata ang blood pressure ko. Kakatawag ng apo ko kasi nga meron kaming ng storm, nasa high risk kami ng storm at saka ng tornado, tapos may hail pa daw. So ayan, yung apo kong lalaki, grabe ang nervyos. Hindi lulubayan, mayat maya, lola, this is what's gonna happen. I watch the news, I watch YouTube, I watch everything. Why are you not scared? Yan para naman ang sabi sa akin, ba't daw hindi ako natatakot? Bakit ako matatakot? Sabi ko kung talagang oras na. Kaya ako naman nag-unti-unting nagliligpit na din. Kasi baka nga kung malakas ang hangin, liliparin talaga ang mga kung ano-ano dyan sa backyard namin. Puko, panay ang tawag ang lola. Nasa news daw, lahat all over, in YouTube and everything, in news, Indiana, and we live in Indiana. Your dad says they will try to come home like 3 o'clock. If it's 3 o'clock and they're not yet home, and they said if we hear something like what is that? Syringe? Tornado. Yeah, if we hear around 2 to 3 o'clock, make sure we go in the basement and bring the lights. Ayan, nagpapanik na. Pati ako nagpapanik na sa inyo. We don't have to bring them in the basement, Mila. What? We need to get ready the electric.
It's gonna die.
No. Huh?
The chicken.
Our battery that you need if you want to charge, if you need electric fan, if you want some electric lights. But we need to charge it before something. We don't know if it's gonna be. You see? Almost low, but this one probably is okay. Let's check. Oh, this one is full charge, so I have to remove it to use it in Nagpapanik na rin ako kasi nga dun sa balita na affected ang Indiana kasi high in risk and high in what you call this, in tornado. Tapos may hail pa. Tapos 100% rain. So ayan, pati yung mga apo ko nagpapanik na. Si Mila, iniisip niya yung sisiw niya. Pati yung mga aso. Paano ko pa kakargahin yan sa basement? So ako naman nandito yung importante ko pa first, yung green card ko, yung SS number ko na andito lahat. Pati yung accounting Tapos yung mga apo ko naman ang inisip ko yung snack nila just in case na stranded kami sa basement. Meron din akong tubig. Meron din kaming yung ilaw. So ayan. So nahihilo ako. Magkaramdam dito sa apo kong isa. Akyat baba. Ito na nga at mag-aalas 2 na. Dapat yung yung storms ay darating ng mga 3 o'clock, between 2 or 3 o'clock, something like that. Inaabot na ako ng kaba. Kinakabahan na ako, nervous na rin ako, kaya ako mag-BBB muna. Ninervous ako sa apo ko, yung lalaki. Diyos ko Lord, mas nervyoso pa sa akin. Taas ngayon mataas ngayon yung aking blood pressure kasi nga ako natitense ba. 115/90 oh. Kita nyo? It's starting to rain now and I'm going to the garage. We need to save the chickens. Chickens is on. Yung inabot na ng gabi, wala namang konti lang ulan. Tapos mayroon daw storm, tapos mayroong hail, tapos mayroong tornado. Umabot na ng gabi, umabot na ng umaga. Wala namang nangyari. Salamat sa Diyos.